Hi everyone, welcome to the next section of this lesson, which is running tasks conditionally. So, running tasks conditionally means that this condition should be met before the task can be run. So, for example, if you want to install the Nginx package and you want the Nginx package to be installed only on CentOS or Fedora operating system, you can use the conditional statement or the conditional keyword, which is when. So you are saying that install Nginx when this operating system is Fedora or when this operating system is CentOS. So the when directive is used to run a conditional task. There are a lot of directives, there are a lot of operators that can be used to run conditional tasks. So as we go on in this course, we will learn more about them. But then let's see this with examples. Let's create a playbook to install the HTTPD package if the managed hosts are only CentOS and Fedora only. So this is the condition that is attached to installing the HTTPD package. So we'll go to the Ansible directory and here I can create a playbook. So let's call this playbook playbook9.yml, and here I'm going to have the name of the playbook, which is install HTTPD package on host all verse, which is variable. So the variable is going to be supported distros and this is going to be CentOS and this is going to be Fedora supported. So the task is going to be, I'm going to give a task name, install HTTPD. We're going to use the YUM module to do this, and the argument is going to be HTTPD state present. So we can use a conditional statement. I can say when Ansible distribution. So because this is a fact, I'm using a fact as a variable, I don't need to put this in inverted comma. So I can say when Ansible distribution in supported distros. So which means that the HTTP package should be installed only if this Ansible distribution is in supported distros, which is if only this or when only this Ansible distribution is CentOS and Fedora. That is when this should be installed. So I can save this file. Let's run the playbook syntax check. So let's run our playbook. So you can study what is happening here. You can, when you study what is happening, you can see the play which is install HTTPD package. These are the facts that have been gathered, and you can see install HTTPD. You can see that the task skipped. You can see skipping is skipped for this host, and it also skipped for this host, and that's because the operating system is not the operating system is Red Hat and not Fedora or CentOS. So if I do cat etc OS release, you're going to see that the operating system is Red Hat Enterprise Linux version 8.1. So it's not a Fedora. Fine, it has an ID like a Fedora, but it's not a Fedora operating system. Neither is it a CentOS operating system, and that's why this task skipped. Alright. Some other examples of operators for conditional tasks are Ansible underscore machine equals, so this means equals 64-bit, which is x86 underscore 64. This also means minimum memory is less than 132. Minimum memory is defined that if the minimum memory is defined, minimum memory is greater than and equals to 112. So there are a lot of Ansible conditional operators, and also you can also see that you can always use the Ansible fact. And if you're not too sure of the Ansible fact you're using, of course, you can check the fact. You can use the setup module to get the Ansible fact, which we've already learned in one of our previous lessons. So this is an example that we created, and you can also use loop and conditional tasks together. So here is a playbook where we used a loop and conditional tasks together. So this is the loop, which is Ansible underscore mount, and this is the conditional task. So there are other examples, like I always do. I'm going to be dropping the link to this website in the description section, so you can always check, navigate through, and you can always do some class activity too as well. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like our videos, share our videos, comment, and this is how you're going to help us to do more for you guys. Thank you once more, and bye for now.